Adding a project in Teamwork Projects allows you to create milestones and task lists, set tasks for your project members, share files, messages, and so much more, all for one specific project within your company. And getting a project up and running in Teamwork Projects is really straightforward. So here we are in our dashboard on Teamwork Projects, and if we want to add a new project, we just need to go over here to the top right and select Add Project. So in the Add Project pop-up window here, we need to give our project a name. Below this, in the Description tab, we have the option to add a description for our project if we want to put that in there. If we go to the Company tab, we can choose whether or not this project is for an external company or for our own company. So currently this project is set for our own company, but if we click the drop-down menu here, we can choose to have this project for an external company, and we can select an existing external company here, or below this we can enter a new company. So for now, I'm just going to say that this is for our own company. And now let's look at adding people to our project. So let's select the People tab. So we can see here that a number of default users have been added to our project already. So if we want to remove any of these users, we can easily do that by just selecting the X icon over their picture. Down here we can search for existing users, or we can scroll through all of the users here. So let's say that I want to add Anthony, Gerald, and Richard to our team. We can also invite someone who is not yet a user in our Teamwork Projects account by selecting click here to invite a new user. Once we're happy with the people we've added, we can just go to the Features tab here, where we can select which features we want activated in our project. So we can toggle any of these on or off, so we can have tasks, messages, time, risks, billing, milestones, files, notebooks, links, and comments. So let's say that I don't want billing or risks in our project. And now we can move on to the Dates tab. So if our project starts and ends at a particular date, we can select our dates here. So for our start date, we can select whatever date we want in the calendar, and likewise for the end date. Looking over at the Advanced tab now, where we can add this project to a particular category if we want to. So we can choose from existing categories, or we can go down here and add a new category. In the Advanced tab, we can also choose to tag this project if we want to, and we can add as many or as few tags as we like. And once we're happy with how we've set up our project here, we can just select Add Project. And now we can begin adding task lists, tasks, milestones, and more to help you get the most out of your team.